Well, a local nonprofit is inviting you to come to a special workshop that not only inspires you, but will help you grow as well. To share some faith in the community, Restoration Urban Ministries is here. And volunteer Bruce Schwartz with me. I know you. You've brought a lovely guest. Why don't you introduce her?
Gladys Hunt is the director of our case managers at Restoration.
Well, why don't you guys tell us about this event that's coming up and who it's for and why people should attend?
Gladys and I were able to attend a function called Pursuing the Hidden Heart last summer in Anchorage, Alaska with Gene McConnell and Alyssa Beeman Drake, and along with several of our staff members. And then in September, several more got to attend another one of these that was held in Kentucky. And collectively, we thought that this is what the people who come to Restoration need. The people who are there because they're homeless, they're dealing with issues that have driven them into the streets, and sometimes they're families, sometimes they're individuals, single parents. But what we wanted was to give them an opportunity to dig into the things of life that have gotten them into the circumstances they're in. So we want our program at Restoration not just to be behavioral management, but let's get to the roots of the behaviors that are going on, cut those off, learn new behaviors, and learn new ways to think about yourself, and move out into society as a productive person.
Gladys, tell us about for those who don't know, some of the people that you're reaching out to in our community. What types of stories do you see walking through your doors on a daily basis?
We see all kind of stories, and you know what I say, but for the grace of God, there we go. So these are everyday normal people that something's happened in their life. They've had a trauma or a tragedy, something's happened, so we're there at Restoration to assist them to get back on their feet and get back in the race.
And this event specifically is for them, or is it for the community as a whole, or how does that work?
Yeah, our residents will be there, but it's open to the community. And we found out this afternoon that we do have a few limited spots left, I think about 10. But it's for anyone who's experienced life trauma stuff that just they know is getting in the way of being the person they want to be. It can be childhood abuse, it can be loss, lots of different kinds of things. But we deal with the issues of shame and guilt in the light of Christ's love and compassion and mercy. And they're genuinely life-changing. In some cases, maybe even life-saving.
Yes.
Well, I would think if any of us are truly honest with ourselves, we could all find some place that we fit from some part of our past or our current state, right?
Absolutely.
So if people want to show up, what do they need to do? How do they need to plan? Are there tickets that are necessary? How does this work?
There is a registration, and you go to our website, restorationurbanministries.org, or you can call our office at area code 217-355-2662 and register.
Okay, and the date is?
Thursday, March 7th through Saturday, or March 9th, and we start every day at 8 a.m. and end at 6. So this is a workshop.
Yeah, it sounds like it. It's not a come for 2 hours and walk out the door. It's got to dig a little deep. Well, thank you for sharing it, and hope you fill those 10 spots very, very quickly, and thanks for the work you're doing in our community.
Yeah, thank you. Take care.
We'll get you all those details on our website, ciliving.tv. Now we'll